journey began with excitement and energy. We proudly introduced our advanced BCS liner insertion with hemming machine, attracting strong attention from industry leaders. Excellent response and steady visitor flow throughout the day. Our advanced automation and seamless operational speed drew significant attention. Serious buyers and manufacturers explored customization options. Our team engaged in productive meetings and solution-based conversations. Excellent response and positive feedback from customers. Our technology received strong appreciation for innovation and reliability. 6 days of networking, innovation, and success. Together, we are shaping the future of PP woven bag conversion technology. Thank you for being part of our journey.